Do you love wearing kurtis? So let's style them with our favorite denim. So I'm taking this blue straight fit denim to style with most of the kurtis, since most of you guys will be having similar jeans in your closet. So the first kurti is this beautiful orange colored kurti with off-white embroidery on the upper half. The first thing to do is fold your jeans from the hemline. It gives a very chic look altogether. Since this kurti has collar, I would prefer to keep the hair up rather than letting it loose. So I'm parting the hair in the middle and twisting both sides and taking all the hair from the back and putting it in a bun. Just pull some hair from the front so that it looks thicker. So for jewelry, I'm keeping it simple with some minimal gold necklace, rings and a single bangle. And for shoes, I'm pairing this white kitten heels to go with it, since it matches the embroidery in the kurta and also it's comfortable and yet giving that cool look. Also, I'm adding this blue bag with gold accents because blue will go well together because you have that blue tone in your jeans. And this is the final look. So for next, I'm pairing this white short kurti with the same jeans. I'm keeping the hair and accessories same. And the best part about this kurta is that it has pockets. So rather than pairing gold jewelry with it, I'm going with this silver watch and a silver bangle with this. I'm not adding any necklace because the neckline is really small and there's no point of adding anything. I hope you guys will try this out because everyone will be having a plain white kurta and a blue straight fit jeans. And please guys, do tag me in Instagram if you're going to recreate this look. I'll be really happy about it. For the next outfit, I'm going to style this blue bandhani print kurti. So for this, I'm going a little bit crazy with the silver jewelry, but I think it's just experimental. You guys can experiment with anything you want to try. I'm adding this silver chain, a silver jhumka and a silver watch with this. So I'm keeping my hair loose for this outfit because the neckline is little more simpler. So I'll be doing a side part and twisting the hair on one side and just keeping it simple. Also, I'm adding a nude flats and nude bag with this. The next kurti you can try is little more longer kurtis with longer sleeves and short necklines. This I actually got it stitched from my neighborhood and I really like the color of it. So for this I'm going for a little more modern look. So for the hair I'm doing a ponytail with this. So the statement piece for this outfit is going to be the gold hoop earrings that I'm going to add. And I'm keeping it simple in a neckline with a very minimal gold necklace and a gold minimal bracelet. So I'm pairing this nude heels with this and a nude bag to go with it. So that's the final look. So the next thing you can do to change up the look is to change the color of the jean. Just go with a black or white jeans. So since I have paired a black jean with it, I'm trying to add more black elements to the outfit. So here I'm adding black flats, a black bag and black hoop earrings so that the overall look becomes complete. If you're someone who likes wearing heels, go with black heels and it will look really good with this. It just changes the whole outfit. So for the next outfit, I'm going to take this plain black anarkali kurti and style it in two different ways. For the first outfit, I'm going to pair this with black heels and a black jacket. So I kept the hair very simple in a bun because there is a lot going on in the bottom. It's better this way. And to complete the look, I'm also adding this black bag. Also guys, I have done another video in which I have styled this black anarkali kurti in so many different ways. So if you haven't watched that, do check them out. And I'll also link the video in the description. So for the next look, I'm going to pair silver jewelry with this. Since it's very plain, adding a long necklace would actually give some character to the outfit. And I'm also pairing the silver watch and silver earring with this to complete the look. So that's it, you can leave it like this or you can add a black dupatta for a different look. And also I'm pairing this black flats and black bag to complete the look. So I hope you guys liked my video. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these.